Hey, what's up guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Orion VCR VHS player to show you. The model number of it is VR313. But before we get into it, a quick fun fact. Do you know who invented the VHS tape? It was JVC, or Japan Victor Company. So if you didn't know that, now you do. Let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel of it, you have a tuner input and output for recording from cable TV, and then you have mono input and composite video. To connect it, all you have to do is plug in your yellow and white cable and then plug in the power cord. And then once you have it all set up, you can go ahead and power it up and put a VHS in. And this is the original remote for it.
Dad, I'm not a fool. I got my
It's got all your basic functions. You can use the stop function. You can access the menus. And then you have tracking adjustment. You can record. And then you can reset the counter. You can control the TV as well if you have that set up. And then it's also got fast forward and fast rewind.
I think it's time to play.
And then on the front panel of it, you have your power button. And then you have your light displays right here to show if you have it set to TV or a VCR, or if you have timer recording on, or if it's recording, or if the power is on. And then you have your channel buttons. Then you have stop and eject, record, and then rewind, play, and fast forward. That's pretty much all there is for this Orion VCR. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.